today we have one of those procrastinated videos that I tend to make, just being completely honest. Today we have 5 months of Bullymake Box. If you're not familiar with Bullymake Box, allow me to tell you all about it. So this is a subscription box for dogs that love to chew. Every package includes 3 treats, 2 toys, 1 nylon, 1 rubber. They're themed, right? So the cool thing about this subscription is that if your dog chews up one of the toys, it is guaranteed. They will send you a replacement within 2, as long as it's within 14 days of you receiving your box. If your dog chews it up, they'll send you a replacement. That's pretty awesome. I think it's great. Boxes are $45 if you have the month-to-month plan. You can prepay and save a lot, and I do have a coupon code. I'll put that down in the description box for you. They do send these boxes to me for review. And then you're like, Ashley, you don't have a dog. And I'm like, yeah, I know. I donate lots of it, and I give it to my neighbors and stuff. So if you've watched long enough, you've met some of my neighbor dogs. Anyway, I have, with the move, I just put it off. I'm like, oh, we'll do a big, one big haul of dog stuff. And now Christmas is coming, so I can give it to friends for little gifts for their dogs and stuff. My husband's in a meeting, so you can hear him talking loudly. But so I have no idea what's in any of these. We're literally going to open them all up together on camera. So $45 a month. We did the guarantee. Everything is grain free. When you sign up, you're going to tell them your dog's name, the weight, the breed. They want to know about your dog, and you know that's all thought about when they send you your box each month, which is very cool. So it is orange, obviously, and that is my favorite color. So that's number 1. It matches my bed. Number 2, number 3, I don't know. We're going to come up with that as we go. All right, so I don't know what month. I don't know if they're in order. No clue. None whatsoever. All right, here's June. All right, so this is a groovy, hippie themed box. The June Bullymake Box. Very cute. And then on the back of the card, they do show you the featured toys for that month. You do get a little discount if you want to buy more of the toys on their web store. It's like a members only kind of thing. All right, so first we have Bullymake Woof Stock Sticks. So these are little bully sticks, very cute. Then we have Bullymake Peace and Love Dog Treats. So I don't know if these are little peace signs or what. Heck, why not find out? Oh no, they're little hearts and smell like smoked beef. So there's that. Now I can't donate these obviously, so I would give these to a friend. All right. Then we have little flowers that are called Bullymake Flower Power. So that brings us to our toys for this month. Not this month, but the month that it came out in June, which is a little Volkswagen van. So here it is, a microbus. It does have a spot to put in treats or whatever you put in your dog's little toy. Lots of ridges, nooks for your dog to have interest in chewing pleasure. And then there's the nylon toy. This says love, and obviously there are lots of little ridges, like I said, for your dog to chew on. These last forever, and I do love this color. It's very fun. So the June box, free love themed, all these fun hippie colors, and very cute, very fun. I do love the themes. I think it makes it fun for owners as well as dogs. Not that your dog's like, yay, but they're like, yay, you know. All right, month 2. This is the September box, and it looks like it has a mountain. Oh, it has a beer, which is funny because October is Oktoberfest, but it has an Oktoberfest theme. Featured toys are here. First up, we have the Bullymake Beer Bites. So these are little treats shaped like beer bottles, maybe? Oh yeah, they kind of are. Like beer glass, like a little, almost looks like a butter beater. Ooh, those smell like peanut butter. Yeah, they are made with peanut butter. You can smell it when you open them up. Then we have Bullymake Bavarian hats. Very cool. Then we have Bullymake Bullywurst. So these are little sausages. These are made with duck and turkey and natural smoke flavor with rosemary extract. Very yummy. And there, I didn't say this before, but I should probably mention this, is that there's like a dietary instructions, a crude analysis of all the nutrients in this as well in the back, as well as a serving size and a list of all the ingredients. All right, our toys in this box are a pretzel, a nylon pretzel, which in Pennsylvania, I don't know if you guys know this, but we're known for our pretzels. So, whoop, whoop. And then there's beer. This is the Bullymake Brewing Company, 12 Fido ounce. I think it's super cute. Hair of the Dog Pale Ale. I love it. And then it does have a little hole there. All right, so that is our September Oktoberfest themed box. Moving along, box number 3. Might as well, right? Might as well. All right, this is the April. Oh, wow. The April Bullymake box. I only have 5 boxes, and that doesn't make sense. I think boxes got lost in the mail when we moved. Like, there were things that I don't think I'll ever get. Like, they went to the mail recovery center. I still haven't seen them. Like a couple Ipsies, a BoxyCharm. The mail here is not that great, I'll be real honest. My old mail was so much better. But anyway, all right, this is the April. It looks like a camping theme. Again, featured toys on the back. Something that rarely happens with this box, but it does happen occasionally, is there's another brand of treat in the box. So this box does have a different treat. This is from Fruitables, delicious, healthy dog treats, crispy bacon and apple flavor, made with superfood. Smell the Fruitables difference. So there is a bag of those. Then there is Bullymake Trail Jerky, so it's like trail mix, because it's a camping theme. Get it? And then there is Bullymake Park Ranger Bites. It's a little star like a sheriff. Oh my gosh. I love it. I can feel them. I'm not going to open it up because, you know, but that's cute. Then we have our toys for this box, which is a little camper, a blue camper, which looks like one of those retro ones, Camp Ham or whatever they call it. Super cute, and it does have little Bullymake symbols on it. And then there's a nylon tent. So in this tent, camping themed, we have our nylon tent toy, our rubber RV toy, our 3 treats, the Fruitables dog treats, the Bullymake Trail Jerky, and the Park Ranger Bites. Moving on. All right, box numero 4. This is the Halloween box. I know, because it's a Halloween box. All right. I don't know why I say these things. All right, October Bullymake box. Feature toys. Oh, I'm excited. These are so cute. This is probably one of my favorite boxes. It's just always so cute. All right, so we have Bullymake peanut butter bars. Obviously, these are made with peanut butter. Then we have the Bullymake alien sticks, which this bag is boss. I love it. I love that design. Can you see it? Like, I think it's so cool. It's so unique. The dog has 3 eyes and it's playing fetch, and that can't get better than that at all. Then we have Bullymake candy corn. I do remember this from last year. They're little corn-shaped candies, which I think is so cute. It is made with bacon fat too, which your dog's gonna love. Not lying. All right, so then we have the toys. One is this fun green cauldron. Cute, right? Not lying. Very cute. By the way, all the rubber and nylon and all the materials for this is sourced and it's manufactured in the United States. So if that's something that you find is important to you, Bullymake got you covered, fam. All right, then we have our nylon toy, and this is a coffin. It's got a little tip, buddy. And then the front is like a proper coffin. If you've watched What We Do in the Shadows, you know that this is probably where Nandor sleeps. Just saying, just saying. All right, so in your October box, you have the coffin nylon toy, the rubber cauldron toy, our 3 treats, which are the peanut butter bars, the alien sticks, and the candy corn, which is lots of fun. All right, final box, guys. We made it. We're at the finish line. Can you believe it? I can't. I really can't. All right. What month is it? It's May, April, May. So we got the June box. We're missing July and we're missing August. Yep. There you go. July and August. I'm missing 2. USPS, you owe me. All right. Still got Playman, Texas. All right, so this is our May box, and it has like a pirate theme. Yes. So the box, the featured toys is so cute. All right, let's open. Oh, another look, the Fruitables again. So first up, we have Fruitables. Second package of those. Then there is the Bullymake Sea Dogs, which these are made with duck, turkey, rosemary extract, and natural flavoring. They look like little they feel like little sausages in there. Then we have the Bullymake shark fins. These are made with pork gelatin, salmon, natural smoke flavor, and it's really mostly it. So they're little fin shaped treats. Very cute. Then for our toys, we have our nylon parrot, which is super cute. And it's bright red, which is also very fun. Hi parrot, you're so cute. And then we have our treasure chest, which is rubber. And this, it has a little hole here, and it does say Bullymake on it. Very, very cute. All right, so for our, what month is this, May? We have a rubber treasure chest, our nylon parrot, and our 3 treats. The shark fins, the sea dogs, and the Fruitables. So, if you're interested in checking out this box, I'm going to link to it down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to Bullymake.